crafty friends, it's Jenny from OrigamiTree, and today we're going to be learning how to make an origami golden snitch from Harry Potter. Now if you're a Harry Potter fan, then this video is for you. Keep watching, and if you're not a fan of Harry Potter, you should watch it anyway because it's really awesome. Now before I jump into the actual tutorial, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you'll be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the golden snitch, you're going to need one square sheet of paper. This is just gold origami paper that you can get at most craft stores. It's white on one side and gold on the other side. So the first thing you want to do is to take the entire sheet of paper and fold it in half. Unfold. Rotate and repeat the same thing in the opposite direction. And unfold. Now fold the sheet of paper in half diagonally to create a triangle. Unfold. And do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to rotate so that this points upwards, and then we're going to focus on this diagonal line right over here. You're going to lift up the top portion only and fold it over along that line. And push to flatten. And now the top should look like this. Then you're going to push inwards from the right side towards the center. So just push inwards along this crease here and this crease here. And flatten. Here's a top view. So we're going to take the first layer only on the right side and we're going to fold it diagonally so that it aligns with the center vertical crease. Fold it straight up and crease that in. Do the same thing on the left side. And next, let's take this point over here and align it to the center crease. So we're going to fold it over and crease that in. Do the same thing on the left. Fold it over, crease it in. Flip it around and do the same thing on this side. So we're going to take this flap, fold it diagonally to the center vertical crease. Do the same thing on the left. Take this corner, fold it over. Same thing here. Now let's unfold these two flaps. And we're going to focus on the crease that we just made. So just on the right side, we're going to unfold. And now with this crease over here, this vertical crease, we're going to fold it over. Just like that. And then push upwards with my thumb, like this. And then flatten. Then take this little flap here and fold it over to the right. And this makes one of the wings. So now let's do the same thing on the left side. We're going to unfold this flap. Focus on this vertical crease. And then fold it over. And then push upwards from the bottom and flatten. Take this wing and fold it over to the left. So now it looks like this. Let's flip it around and do the same thing on this side. So unfold and unfold. Unfold. Focus on this vertical crease, fold it over to the left. and then push upwards to flatten. Take the wing and fold it over to the right. Unfold. Focus on this crease. Fold it over. And then push upwards to flatten. Take the wing and fold it over to the left. And now your snitch should look like this. So now if you open it up, you'll notice that there is an opening right over here, this little hole, and this is where you're going to blow air into it. So you're just going to put it towards your mouth and give it a good blow, and it's going to inflate. So I'm going to go do that now. And there we go. So what I did was I blew a bunch of air into that opening that I showed you before, and now your stitch is complete. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around until the very end of the video. I always appreciate that. If you're new to my channel, be sure you subscribe for crafty fun all year round and turn on those notifications so you'll be notified when they come out. If you made this golden snitch, be sure you take a picture and share it on social media at OrigamiTree on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Leave your comment below letting me know who your favorite Harry Potter character is, and I will see you next time. Bye!